What's the meaning of Allen screw? Allen screw. Allen screw. Allen screw. Allen screw. Allen screw.
Allen screw refers to a type of fastener that uses a hexagonal-shaped socket to turn and tighten the screw. It's also known as an Allen head screw or hex screw. The name comes from the patent holder, William G. Allen. These screws are commonly used in machinery, automotive, and construction applications due to their ability to apply high torque and resist stripping. They come in a variety of sizes and materials, including stainless steel and titanium. Overall, the Allen screw is a widely used and versatile component in many industries.